He did not come from a family of entertainment giants, yet there was always something about him that captured attention instantly. With an exceptionally deep voice, striking visuals, and a personality that balanced warmth with determination, Felix didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. He built a unique identity that made him one of the most recognizable idols of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 15, 2000, in Sydney, Australia, Felix's journey began far from the bustling entertainment industry of South Korea. Raised in a supportive family, he spent his early years enjoying sports, music, and creative activities. Known for his cheerful personality and strong sense of curiosity, he developed a growing interest in performance during his teenage years. Although he had no formal entertainment background, his passion and natural charisma set him apart. His life changed dramatically when he successfully auditioned for JYP Entertainment in Australia. Leaving behind family, friends, and the comfort of home, he moved to South Korea to pursue a dream that seemed both exciting and intimidating. The transition was not easy. Felix had to learn a new language, adapt to a different culture, and meet the demanding expectations of the trainee system. Years of intense training followed. Under JYP Entertainment, he worked tirelessly to improve his dancing, vocals, rap skills, and stage presence. His perseverance became evident during the survival program that formed Stray Kids. Despite facing challenges along the way, Felix demonstrated resilience and determination, earning his place in the final lineup. In 2018, he officially debuted as a member of Stray Kids. The group quickly attracted attention for their self-produced music, energetic performances, and distinctive identity. Within the team, Felix became instantly recognizable for his unusually deep voice, a characteristic that created a striking contrast with his youthful appearance. His unique vocal tone soon became one of the defining elements of Stray Kids' sound. As Stray Kids expanded their influence globally, Felix emerged as one of the group's most popular members. Through chart-topping albums, sold-out world tours, and record-breaking achievements, he played an important role in the group's international success. His ability to connect with fans across cultures was strengthened by his fluency in English and his approachable personality. By 2026, Felix is regarded as one of the most recognizable faces in modern K-pop. Industry professionals praise his stage charisma and versatility, while fans admire his humility, kindness, and dedication. His career reflects continuous growth, evolving from a trainee adapting to a new country into a global performer capable of commanding massive audiences. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects discipline and balance. He maintains demanding schedules involving rehearsals, recordings, international travel, and fitness training. Despite the pressures of fame, he often emphasizes personal growth, health, and maintaining meaningful connections with those around him. His fashion influence has expanded significantly over the years. Known for his elegant visuals and modern style, Felix frequently collaborates with luxury brands and appears at major fashion events. His ability to combine sophistication with youthful energy has made him a favorite among designers and photographers alike. While public interest often focuses on his personal life, Felix remains relatively private. He prefers directing attention toward music, performances, and creative development. Colleagues frequently describe him as hardworking, respectful, and deeply considerate of both fans and fellow artists. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects income generated through album sales, world tours, endorsements, merchandise, and various brand partnerships. Beyond financial achievements, he has established himself as an influential figure within both the music and fashion industries. What many people find most compelling is his authenticity. Whether interacting with fans, performing on stage, or sharing moments from daily life, Felix consistently projects sincerity and gratitude. This genuine connection has become one of the strongest foundations of his global popularity. Felix's journey is defined by perseverance and transformation. From a teenager in Sydney with ambitious dreams to an internationally recognized performer, his rise reflects courage, dedication, and unwavering commitment to self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, talented, humble, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a background of global fame, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a natural blend of vocal power, precision, charisma, and undeniable stage presence, Jungkook didn't simply debut in the K-pop industry. He built his own identity within it, transforming youthful ambition into one of the most remarkable pop careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 1st, 1997, in Busan, South Korea, Jungkook's journey began far from sold-out stadiums and global chart dominance. As a child, he showed early interest in music and performance, often drawn to singing and physical expression. After auditioning for the talent show Superstar K at a young age, he caught the attention of multiple entertainment agencies. He ultimately chose Big Hit Entertainment, believing in its vision despite it not being an industry giant at the time. His debut in 2013 as the youngest member of BTS marked the beginning of a demanding path. As the group's golden Maknae, he quickly became known for his versatility, strong live vocals, sharp dance execution, and competitive drive. Years of intense training shaped his discipline, while constant performances refined his confidence and stage control. As BTS gradually rose to international prominence, Jungkook's growth became increasingly visible. His voice carried emotional tracks that resonated deeply with global audiences, while his performance skills evolved with each comeback. From early breakthrough eras to record-breaking English releases, he demonstrated consistency under immense pressure. Rather than remaining defined solely by group success, Jungkook expanded his artistic identity. His solo tracks such as Euphoria, My Time, and later official solo releases like 7 and 3D showcased a mature, genre-blending sound. With his album Golden, he solidified his position as a standalone global pop artist, achieving major streaming milestones and international chart recognition. By 2026, Jungkook is regarded as one of the most influential male artists of his generation. Industry professionals acknowledge his work ethic, producers value his adaptability, and audiences connect with his authenticity. His career reflects strategic evolution rather than short-term momentum. Offstage, his lifestyle balances intensity with privacy. Despite immense fame, he maintains a relatively low profile, focusing on physical training, vocal improvement, and creative exploration. Fitness, boxing, and structured practice routines remain central to his discipline, reinforcing the stamina required for high-level performance. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic confidence. Jungkook moves effortlessly between minimalist streetwear and high-fashion luxury campaigns. As a global ambassador for major brands, he represents modern masculinity with understated elegance and quiet authority. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains selective and protective of his boundaries. He consistently shifts attention back to music, performance, and long-term artistic growth. Within the industry, he is described as hardworking, self-critical, and deeply committed to refining his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from world tours, record-breaking album sales, global endorsements, and songwriting credits. More importantly, he has established credibility not only as an idol, but as a respected international pop figure. What many admire most is his continuous evolution. From a determined teenager leaving Busan to pursue a dream, to a polished solo performer commanding global stages, Jungkook's rise is defined by discipline, adaptability, and internal drive. Jungkook's journey is not built on hype alone, but on sustained growth. As he moves forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, dynamic, focused, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.